Hi, welcome to my basement where we do some cool food preparation. Today I will tell you how to make the almond powder. And what you can use it for. So, first of all, almonds I put in the water for overnight, and after I put it in the sun for dry it during daytime for make it a little bit softer. Then I have some shredder, so I put it through the shredder and make it on the slices. So basically for your sweets decorations you can use it like that. And then, well, if you have too much energy, not spend a lot of calories, you can do it manually, or if you're too lazy, we will use a blender. So we put it in the blender for 1-2 minutes, but not too long, otherwise it will become too sticky, right? And we go. We have almond powder, exactly the same we done with the pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, with garlic and so on. Done. Less than 2 minutes is ready. So you can use the powder for make some cool sweets. So check all of the previous videos and next videos too. Actually, you can make some cool sauce, different sauce. You can make mayonnaise from the almond powder. So it's look just like that. Brilliant. So it's really easy. So you can store some your powder somewhere, and less than 5 minutes you can cook a lot of different stuff. It's what about raw foodist. Additionally, you can cook some biscuits, sweet or not sweet. So basically really a lot of stuff. And here a lot of good fat, a lot of calories, you cannot eat it a lot. So you'll be feel feed with 2-3 biscuits, let's say. That's it. Really simple. So some next videos I can show you what you can cook from it. Super delicious and super healthy. So stay fit and healthy. See you soon.